delicious Penang Hokkien prawn noodles. Prepare 1 pig's leg bone and put it in a room temperature water. Boil the water and continue to cook for another 15 minutes. This process will remove any blood and bloody smell from the bone. Remove the bone from water, then prepare a pot of boiling water. Put in the pig's bone, 1 whole chicken's bone, 1 chopped yam bean and 1 piece of pork meat about 500 grams. Prepare 1 kg of prawns and remove the shell. Heat up the pan and add some oil. Then pour in the prawn shell. Fry the prawn shell with high heat until dry and aromatic. Pour the cooked prawn shell into a blender. Add 1 cup of water and blend it. Pour the blended prawn shell into a food filter bag. Tie tightly. Meanwhile, the bone soup has been cooking for about 1 hour. First, remove the pork meat and then put the prawn shell back and the prawn juice into the soup. Simmer with low heat for about 2 hours. Cut the pork meat into slices. The thickness depends on each of your liking. Next, let's prepare our sambal chili. 35 pieces of dried chili, 12 pieces of shallot, 6 cloves of garlic, 15 grams of roasted belacan shrimp paste, 20 grams of dried shrimp. Finally, add some water. Blend all these ingredients into a chili paste. Heat up pan and add in some oil. Pour in the chili paste. Cook it with medium to low heat. I prefer to use slightly more oil to cook, as it will be more aromatic. You have to be a little patient to cook until the oil has been separated from the chili. What does it mean by cook until the oil separates? You can see here I have pointed the parts where the oil has been separated. Add in half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Stir evenly. Pour the cooked sambal into an empty bowl to be served later. The pan will have a layer of oil. This can be used to fry the prawn that has been deshelled earlier. Cook the prawn until done. Now, the soup should be almost done. Remove the prawn shell back, pig's bone, chicken's bone, and also the yam bean from the soup. Add in 4 tablespoons of fish sauce, 30 grams of crystal sugar cubes, 2½ teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of sambal chili. Stir the soup. You may adjust the seasoning according to your own liking. Prepare another pot of boiling water. Cook the amount of noodle or bihun that you like. After that, cook the side dishes, such as fish cake, water spinach or kangkong, and bean sprouts. Yeah, it's time to serve. Prepare a bowl, add in your noodle or bihun and all your side dishes, and pour in the aromatic prawn soup. Wow, it's really aromatic. Don't forget to prepare a tablespoon of sambal chili and sprinkle some fried shallots. I'll tell you, this is very irresistible that you can't wait to start eating and enjoy this delicious dish.